Welcome back to the channel. Today we're not doing much. Shane's over here cleaning, being a good little maid he is.
OCD BS that's going on. Plus I didn't want that anymore. I want to be closer to the window when I'm drinking. Sitting there watching all these trucks go by and be like, I hope you'll wreck. Yeah.
That's messed up.
Yeah. So, hey, gotta stay in business.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yes, exactly. So, yeah, I'm bored. So I'm cleaning up the everything closet where everybody thinks everything goes to. I also having a cookie in my mouth. Oh, this is the yeah, like about 10 minutes ago. Yep. Okay. So that's the VA. Let's see, last deployment was 2009. And
2009?
They're saying that I have TBI. that explains a lot then.
The very interested. Is that what it means?
Yes.
The very interested?
The very interested, yes. Yeah. I've only told them this like quite a few times on the shit I've done overseas, but yeah.
Are you gonna die?
Oh, we're all gonna die.
Are you dying currently?
Possibly. It depends on if the slow down move over, doesn't take effect.
Or
Yeah.
tries to rub my chest again.
Yeah. So, but you're still here. As the little dude said, but did you die? No.
Tell them what happened with you.
He had a medical emergency, didn't want to respond, so I gave like a nice 10-minute sternum rub along with a couple pressure points to keep him going. So yeah, he's mad because I left a nice red mark. That was like a 3rd-degree burn, but we still have an employee.
Hey, he's alive though.
Yes,
He's alive.
yes,
God bless you, Shane.
yes,
Thank you for your service.
yes. My service, not cervix. So, back to cleaning. Looks like shiznits in here.
Pretty sure you can curse as long as it's like 30 seconds after the video.
Oh, yeah. It looks like Melissa's baby.
It does.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. See, we're gonna see what she says about that one. Hey, Melissa.
Yes.
What's your baby doing here?
Are you serious right now?
I found Liv.
What is it?
We found them.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You fuck.
Liv,
You're such
Nico,
a-
same
you're such
thing.
an
Same
asshole.
thing.
Leave my baby alone.
If you would see her baby, you would swear that these things are twins.
Shut
This
up,
one's probably
Shane.
a little bit bigger.
Oh Lord, have you seen the fall? Should I pull up a picture?
Yes,
Okay.
pull up a picture.
All right.
What did the baby dress as for Halloween?
She was a Ninja Turtle.
Exactly.
But hers is so cute. Hold on.
She's adorable.
Look at her.
Identical. We know who the dad is.
Identical. Identical.
Is the dad a Ninja Turtle? I don't
Yeah.
understand.
That's what they're saying, that Nico looks like.
Nico looks like a Ninja Turtle too.
He needs to go back in his shell.
Hey, language, young lady.
He's over here.
Can you believe that women
I
in today's
know,
society actually curse still?
Exactly.
Wow.
No thought of other individuals. Let's just sit here and curse. Oh, there's a lot of stuff, and I'm not going through that because that's other people's stuff.
It is a lot of stuff.
Yes, there's a lot of documents that your dad can deal with. Let's put cables with cables. she's still mad at me because I don't talk to her. That's pretty funny. Oh, need to go through and mount all these boxes on the wall. See, thank you AT&T for leaving your trash on the ground. I'm so glad you can leave this and not working equipment.
Dude, AT&T is the best service provider in the world. Nobody's better than AT&T.
Ryan Reynolds, his is better. Can't remember the name of it, but I can remember him.
You're one of those guys that fantasizes about him.
Ryan Reynolds. Oh, I'm telling you. If I had a body like his, oh yeah, I'd buy everything.
You're the guy that has arguments with his wife on who's the more attractive man. You or Ryan Reynolds?
Definitely Ryan Reynolds. I have nothing against him. See, I can't even, see, it hides everything, compared to him. That's why I wear 2 shirts and he doesn't wear 1.
But does Ryan Reynolds drive a heavy truck?
He can afford quite a few of them.
But do you think
and
he
I
could
will
ever
come work
drive
for
it?
him. So your dad's gonna have, if Ryan Reynolds comes and hires me to run his rotators or anything like that, sorry, Mr. Riddle, I'm way better body. Yes. Agreed. And I will be taking your son with me. So we can keep doing our YouTube. Oh, I need to mount that back on the wall.
To those of you who wonder what we do, this is it. Other than cleaning, we clean the inside of the building.
Yes.
It's always clean. Clean.
Electrician by trade, so trust me. Yes, I know what I'm doing when I work on electrical stuff. Find my little TikTok video about 50,000 volts going through you, and you'll know why. Anything you want.
Okay, then we'll play it this way. Taser.
Pretty funny, by the way.
We'll leave that up to them.
I am a YouTube certified electrician. Yep.
Ain't everybody nowadays?
Everybody is. Get certified by YouTube.
I'm a YouTube certified drywall repairer.
Yeah, drywalling. I don't like doing drywall, but I got a nice den that I've got to go through and drywall.
You know you're YouTube certified when you don't even use a screwdriver.
Now, gotta use your man hands, or the he them hands, he them they hands. It's gone. Ooh. We should go play.
What is that? Oh,
This is a VCR.
so yeah, it's a VCR.
VCR.
Yep.
Yeah, for so many people that don't know. This is the new Swipe Simple. We mount these in the trucks. That way we can run credit card payments.
Doesn't take up much space.
No, it's a lot smaller than what it seems like. Oh, yeah, because we need hemorrhoid pads and a booster for Leah.
Leah does not need a booster.
Have you seen how far the steering wheel she has up on there?
Yes.
So if we move the seat back, we can put that between the backrest and her, so she can still sit on the steering wheel.
She went to the bank in the Mercedes yesterday. I got back in it to go home, and dude, I like that.
You need to get the key fobs that memorize, so when you open up the door, it goes back about a mile, so you can get in there. And when she gets in, it shoots all the way forward.
I don't think the button works anymore on it, where it automatically does it.
Let's go get uniforms done. All these ones are pretty much trash wise, so we'll make sure some of the employees that come in have something a little bit decent. These ones we'll go through, we can still end up using them. Yeah, for granted they're a little bit on the faded side and stuff, but at least we'll give them a shirt whenever they start here. That way they could be compliant.
These shirts look decent.
That's why I said these ones are gonna get washed and used. These ones are going in the trash. We'll take the patches off of them, go through. Like this one, you see how the reflector's coming off and all this. So like this shirt, we'll pull the patches off of there, and that way we can use them, and then go from there. And these ones, like I said, will get washed. And this one is our parachute one. This is a 3X. So just needs a little bit cleaned. Let me just get rid of it because the person that wore it.
Yeah, go ahead and just get rid of it.
Yep. But I did find me a shirt. I'm keeping this one. I'm sticking claim to this one.
Dad hates those shirts.
Why?
I have one at my house, and I can't even wear it because I know he hates it.
Then next time I go to the shop and he's there, I'm wearing this one.
It's a great way to get your truck back in the way.
I'll go to the motorcycle fleet. I've already sent him pictures of that, so yes. He will love the shirt because look, it matches the pants.
I mean, the shirts look great. It's just,
I know. Look at that. That is an awesome patch.
That's the best patch.
This is the best one. So
That is OG right there.
I'm keeping that one. Yes. And then we got somebody's. Who knows what this is?
Probably
a medium.
Probably
medium
a
Old
dispatcher
Navy.
stuff.
I don't know. We get a lot of individuals that come in and they drop their stuff off.
Well, we got a lot of individuals who want to work for us one day. Everything's great, and the next day they don't want to work. And they just leave stuff.
Yes. 36. I ain't seen that. I ain't been able to fit anything like that for about 20 years. Run in paper type ordeal. So these are historical documents.
Hey, dude, while you're doing all that stuff that's in the back corner by her desk, we want to bring that in here.
No.
Why?
That's her
Just together.
office. This is our office.
Okay, I'm gonna bring that up here then.
No, you can't. You need to be at least this tall before you talk back.
Oh, don't start with the short jokes. That's a great way to ruin his day. I remember one time.
It's past 9:30. He's fine.
His little, what is it, a Colorado out there?
Yeah.
Chevy Colorado?
His little vehicle.
I was like, you're mad all the time just because you can't reach the foot pedals. Can't
Yeah, that's why he needs those. Should be like everybody else, throw them on the ground. Well, hey, some of the boxes are gonna go in the trash.
We just let him think he's in charge.
Yeah. You did a good job. Keep up the good work. You're really good.
So you can't even get 30 minutes past. Just put them down here and I will go through them because all those are going in the trash. Yes, exactly. Thank you.
Wow.
All these are empty. Skittles? Paperwork. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
God forbid Jimmy would hurt himself.
Oh, but that box saved it. These need to go to the mass burn pit. That's the mass burn pit, indoors.
I'm gonna clean this out, send them this week, and get it all burnt.
Gotta move the Mercedes though, so we can.
No, she's fine. She can stay there.
I'm talking about so we can get some of these desks and things out of here, reorganize all this, clean it
No.
all up. Yeah.
No.
People want to go and park there.
So strong.
Throw it right there on the desk.
Right there, Jimmy. Right there.
Here.
Right there, man. Good job.
Now, the brown one's got to go under the white one.
What are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing?